All right, let's play DUPORT's number 13. This section at letter D, I call it, which is measure 32, is particularly tough. First finger on harmonic, D. There's several ways to practice. We're going to start and practice with our shifts on our first finger. That A is going to go up to a B. Then we have an F sharp. B goes up to a C. Little half step, bring the thumb in. C goes up to a D. Keep that position. D goes up to an E. Play that one again. Then a D goes up to an E, and our second finger is close. Try that again. I'm getting better. Let's try this one more time. D harmonic. That's my hardest one. One more time. Reminder, keep your shoulders down and heavy. Ready? Whatever, I couldn't find the music, so. All right. Hope that helps.